Mini Munchkins!
Hello, Junior Bird Watchers! Get ready for a super-duper birdie adventure. Today, we'll meet some awesome feathered friends, from colorful parrots to speedy hummingbirds. Ready, set, let's fly into the birdie wonderland. Colorful and chatty, it's the parrot, a burst of feathers and cheerful sounds. Parrot. City skies come alive with the gentle glide of the friendly pigeon. Pigeon. Majestic and dazzling, the peacock flaunts its iridescent feathers. Peacock. Proudly soaring, it's the majestic eagle, a symbol of strength. Eagle. Tiny and joyful, the sparrow chirps and hops, spreading cheer. Sparrow. Like a tiny fairy, the hummingbird flits about, creating magic. Hummingbird. Wise and silent, the owl masters the night with its nocturnal charm. Owl. Hear rhythmic drumming? It's the industrious woodpecker tapping away. Woodpecker. Quacking and swimming leisurely, the duck is perfectly at home in the water. Duck. In the woods, the cuckoo marks time with its distinctive and melodious call. Cuckoo. Waddling and adorable, the penguin slides on icy shores, creating delightful scenes. Penguin. Speeding across the desert, the swift roadrunner leaves a trail of rapid sprints and distinctive appearance. Roadrunner. Bringing bursts of color, the lively finch stands out. Finch. Graceful and tall, the elegant crane dances in wetlands. Crane. Perched and charming, the robin delights in gardens. Robin. With a distinctive crown, the unique hoopoes showcase charisma. Hoopos. Striding across the savannah, the mighty ostrich boasts incredible speed. Ostrich. Walking in V-shaped formation, the goose migrates with precision. Goose. Elegance in water, the flamingo wades gracefully with long leg. Flamingo. Clever and distinctive, the crow stands out with intelligence and cause. Crow. Thanks for soaring with us today. If you had a blast with our bird buddies, give us a super cool thumbs up and hit subscribe for more kiddo-friendly adventures. Until next time, happy birdie watching!